read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. We are going to do lowercase letter P, its formation, its sound and vocabulary words. Let's start. Start from second line, come straight down, make semicircle. It will make small P. The letter name is P. The sound of P is P. P, P. Beautiful parrot. Paint and pencil. P is for parrot. P, P, parrot. P is for paint. P, P, paint. P is for pencils. Very good. I saw a pretty parrot sitting by the paint and pencils. What did I see? I saw a pretty parrot sitting by the paints and pencils. Now tell me please, where was the parrot sitting? By the paint and pencils. And name the colors of the paint that's given in the theme. It's red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. It's time to wine. What we are going to do? Look over here. Blow out the candles and say So, today we have done lowercase letter P. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.